Hi friends. We will learn long shadow effect on any text or logo. We will create it with 3D option. We will apply this effect with easy steps. Let's get started without any delay. I have this text on gray background. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Temporarily disable duplicate layer. Active below layer of text. Then go to 3D. Click on New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Here it will ask to create 3D layer. To switch to 3D workspace, simply click on No. Now layer is in 3D mode. You should see properties of this layer. Go to Window and check Properties. Now you can see properties for this layer. Move extrusion depth slider all the way to right. Uncheck Catch Shadows and Cast Shadows boxes. Then click on this icon. It is for deform. Scroll down and check shear instead of bend. Make vertical angle to 90 degrees. Move horizontal slider to left. You can see shadow is moving around text. Adjust shadow's angle to your choice. Here we don't need to render layer. Just enable above text layer and active it. Press Ctrl and click on Shadows layer. It will create selection of shadow. Now delete layer of shadow. Create a gradient layer above solid color layer. In gradient fill check reverse box. It will give an effect of long shadow. Or you can create a solid color layer. I am going to create black solid color layer. Create group and move this layer in group. Create mask on group. Pick gradient black to white tool. Apply gradient on the mask. It will create shadow effect. Open blending option for text layer. Change color overlay according to your choice. You can apply bevel and emboss effect. Sometime you might run across a problem. Shadow come out little bit at top of text. Expand group and select mask. Press Ctrl+T to transform. And move shadow little bit down and right. So problem is solved. Here is your text with shadow effect. Or suppose you have a logo. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Temporarily disable top layer. Active below layer and go to 3D. Click on New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. It will ask same question. That is to create 3D layer. Just click on No. Move extrusion depth slider all the way to right. Uncheck Catch and Cast Shadows boxes. Click on Deform icon. Check Shear instead of Bend. Make 90 degrees for vertical angle. Move horizontal angle slider to left. And make shadow almost 45 degrees. Enable top layer of logo. Press Ctrl and click on Shadows layer. It will create selection around shadow. Then simply delete this shadow layer. Create black solid color layer. Create group and move layer in group. Create mask on group. Pick gradient tool with black to white color. Apply gradient to mask, give shadow effect. Zoom on and see shadow is out from logo. Expand group and select mask. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Move shadow down and right little bit. Then press enter. So same shadow effect applied on logo. I hope you like this very simple technique. If so, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.